Everyone, welcome again. In the last video, we learned inter-school sports meet, race and long jump. We have completed the exercises from race and long jump. Today we will solve high jump, long jump and running exercise from page number 18 and 19. Here in the bracket, here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. World record and Indian records are given and names are given, who recorded, who jumped highest, who jumped longest. Before that, we will learn how to convert meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter. We already learned that there are 100 centimeter in 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That we all knows very well. Okay. Now to convert meter to centimeter, we will multiply it by 100. Let's do some examples. If we want to convert 3 meter into centimeter, okay, we will convert 3 meter to centimeter. So what we will do? We will multiply it by 100 because 1 meter has 100 centimeter. Let's do 3 meter multiply by 100. So 300 centimeter. If I take 5 meter, so what we will do? 5 multiply by 100. So 5 ones are 5 and we will write to 0. 500 centimeter. To multiply meter into centimeter, we will to convert meter into centimeter, we will multiply it by 100. If I want to convert 12 meter into centimeter, 12 multiply by, bolo to, 100. It is very easy. So we will write 12 ones are 12 and write to 0. So we can tell simply to convert meter to centimeter, we can add 20 easily. If I want to convert 30 meter into centimeter, what should I do? 30 multiply by 100. So 3 ones are 3, 1, 2 and 3 0. 3000 centimeter. Let's do other. 71 meter. So 71 meter. So 71 multiply by 100. 71 ones are 70 and we'll write 20. So 7100 centimeter. Okay. If the number is like this, 4 meter, 71 centimeter. Now how to convert in centimeter? We have to convert in centimeter. Simple. We will convert meter into centimeter. 4 meter into centimeter. 4 multiply by 100. We'll write plus. 71 is already, it is in centimeter. So we'll write 71 as it is because it is already given in centimeter. So 4 ones are 4. 4 meter. So 400 centimeter plus 71. Easily you can write the sum 471 centimeter. Let's do other. 2 meter 91 centimeter. How to convert this number into centimeter? So we will convert meter into centimeter. So 2 meter को centimeter में convert करो तो 2 multiply by 100 plus 91. So 2 ones are 2, otherwise 100 2s are 200 plus 91. So we can write 291 centimeter. Let's do other example. 70 meter 1 centimeter. So let's convert 70 multiply by 100 plus 1. So 70 ones are 70 and we'll write 20 plus 1. So, how to do the addition? 7001 centimeter. Okay. Let's do another one. 8 meter and 95 centimeter. So now students, you can easily say 8 meter. So how to write? 800 plus 95. So it is 895 centimeter. Another one. 6 meter 83 centimeter. Now easily you can say 6 meter. So how many centimeter? Yes, it is 600 centimeter. Then what we will write? Plus sign and then 83. So it is 683 centimeter. Again 8 meter 8 centimeter. So is equal to sign compulsory in the maths. Don't forget to write this is equal to signs. Okay, 8 meter, so it is 800 centimeter, and already 8 is in centimeter only. Okay, so add 808 808 centimeter. Okay students, this type of sums and exercises are given in your workbook. You can convert it in the meter and centimeter and complete the exercises of the workbook. Now let's move on the textbook. Page number 18. Indian records and world records are there in the sports, high jump and long jump. And men and women both are there. Both are recorded. Now see, some questions are given. Before that, let's check here. Let's see high jump in men. In world record, this man recorded 2 meter 45 centimeter, and Indian record Chandrapal 2 meter and 17 centimeter. In long jump in men, Mike P recorded 8 meter 95 centimeter, यानी कि उससे ज़्यादा किसी ने long jump नहीं किया. And in India 8 meter and 8 centimeter. In women high jump, Stefka 2 meter and 9 centimeter, and in India's record Bobby A 1 meter and 91 centimeter. In long jump women, Galina C jumped 7 meter and 52 centimeter, and Anju G jumped 6 meter and 83 centimeter. Now let's move on the question answers. Find out from the table. One number, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the man's world record for high jump? Okay, first we have to see man's world record for high jump. So we'll see the high jump and man's world record. Okay, we'll see this line. Here Chandrapal recorded 2 meter and 17 centimeter. Now what they asked, how many centimeter more should Chandrapal jump? चंद्रपाल कितना ज़्यादा जंप करेगा तो वो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड जितना बनेगा. ओके, वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड कितना है? 2 मीटर 45 सेंटीमीटर, एंड चंद्रपाल का जंप 2 मीटर 17 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस इन द सेंटीमीटर. Chandrapal's jump 2 meter and 17 centimeter. So we'll convert 2 meter, it is 200 plus 17. So 217 centimeter. Now world record, that Javed, he jumped 2 meter and 45 centimeter. So let's convert it is 2 meter means 200 plus 45 centimeter. So 245 centimeter. So this jump is Chandrapal's, and this the Javis that who made the world record. What we have to find, that Chandrapal का jump कितना ज़्यादा jump करेगा, how much more centimeter he jump that to reach 245. So to compare, first we have to compare this, and for comparison always we will do the subtraction. So let's subtract 245 minus 217. Okay, now 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to borrow 1/10 from 4. and 4 has remained 3. Directly I wrote 15. Already you know the subtraction very well. Now 15 minus 7. To subtract 7 from 15. You all knows very well. But once again, we will start from 7 till 15. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, कितने हुए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we'll write here 8 and 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. So it is 2 and 2 minus 2, 0. So we can write there Chandrapal has to jump 28 centimeter more to reach the world record for high jump. Okay. Now see the second question. How many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? Now first we will find out Bobby A. Where is Bobby A? Here. Okay. And he jumped 1 meter and 91 centimeter. What they asked? How many centimeter higher should Bobby jump to reach 2 meter? 2 मीटर तक पहुंचने के लिए उसको कितना हाई जंप करना पड़ेगा? Here they say, remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So half meter is equal to, half means 100 का half 50. So half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. Now we will see first Bobby A. We will convert 1 meter 91 centimeter into centimeter because they asked here how many centimeter. So we will convert Bobby A's jump 1 meter 91 centimeter into centimeter. Bobby A's high jump record 1 meter 91 centimeter. So let's convert it 1 meter. So it is 100 centimeter plus 91. So 191 centimeter. Now they asked, what they asked? To reach 2 meter. 2 meter has how many centimeter? 2 meter has 200 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. To reach 200 centimeter, how long he has to jump? So here 191 we have, if we want to compare, what we will do? Always will subtract. Compare ही करना है. So minus 191 centimeter. Okay. And easily you can say 200 minus 191. 200 minus 191. 191 कितने बाकी रहे? It is 9 only. Okay. To reach 200. But let's do the subtraction. 0 minus 1 is not possible. 0 will go this 0. It is also not possible. So we'll go here and we'll borrow 1/10 from here. Directly हम यहाँ नहीं ले सकते. Okay. But this 10 has to give 1/10 here also. So we'll write here 1/10. Okay. And here already 10 1 gave. So what is remain here? 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. And 2 gave. From 2, 1 is remain. So 1 minus 1, 0. So Bobby has to jump 9 centimeter more to reach 2 meter. Now let's do another number 3. Galina's long jump is nearly. Now Galina's long jump. Find out where is Galina. Galina. Long jump. In women long jump, Galina made world record 7 meter and 52 centimeter. 7 meter and 52 centimeter. Now we'll see here Galina's long jump is nearly 7 meter 52 centimeter. So 52 means almost 50 centimeter के आसपास. So 7 meter and half. 50 means half. We are already learned half means 50. So it is approximately 7.5 meters. So tick here 7.5 meters. Number 4. Look at the women's world records. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? We have to find out the difference. Difference means what we will do? Subtraction. Always difference निकालना है तो subtraction ही करेंगे. Women's world record. चलो women's world record. Women's world record. Highest jump and longest jump. These two jump. We have to find the difference between two jumps. Okay. Always we will write bigger number up. 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 2 meter 9 centimeter. 7 meter 52 centimeter long jump and 2 meter and 9 centimeter high jump. We have to find the difference. 2 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to borrow 1/10 from 5. So here if we will borrow 10. So 10 and 2, 12 and 5 has remained 4. 12 minus 9. 9 से 12 तक जाओ. 9 से 10, 11 and 12. It's 3. So write here 3. And 4 minus 0. So it is 4. And 7 minus 2. 7 में से 2 minus करो. 2 से 7 तक जाओ. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remain 5. So what is the difference? 5 meter 43 centimeter. Number 5. If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. So first we will check how much that Mike jump. Mike jump long jump and it is 8 meter and 95 centimeter. So we have to complete 9 meter. What they asked? Complete full 9 meters करना है. His jump would be full 9 meter. And he jumped 8 meter and 95 centimeter. So let's see here. To reach 9 meter, first we will subtract because he jumped 8 meter and 95 centimeter. We have to reach 9 meter. So 9 meter 00 centimeter and 8 meter and 95 centimeter. Subtracts because we have to compare. 0 minus 5 not possible. So this will 0 go here. It is also not possible. So it will go here and it will give 1/10 here. But it has to give to these 10s. Okay. So here 10 has remained 9 and 9 has remained 8. 10 minus 5, easy students, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So to reach 9 meter, Mike has to jump only 5 centimeter long. Now see the 6th number. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meter. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters. We will check here. High jump 2.5 meter. 2.5 means approximately 2.50 के आसपास. So it is here. Now 2 meter कौन jump करता है पहले देखते हैं. 2 Javeer, then Stefika and this one. But ये 217 है, 29 है and it is 245. So we can say Javeer S high jump is 2 meter and 45 centimeter. So his jump is very close to 2.5 meter. His jump, Javeer's jump is very close to 2.5 meter. So you can tick here C. Now see on next page, page number 19. Running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 km every day to stay fit. Running is very essential for health. He took one round of this field. He took one round of this field. That 500, 500, 1000, 500, 500, 1000. So 2000, total 2000 हुए. What is the addition of this? 2000. So 2000 means 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. 1 kilometer has 1000 meter and 2 kilometer has 2000 meter. Okay. So doctor said 2 kilometer. So he chose this round. But he took one round of this field, how far did he run? This field was very far from his home. He is running, okay, but this field is very far from his home, so he choose a park nearby. एक पार्क चूज किया. The boundary of the park was about 400 meter. The boundary of this park is 400 meter, but doctor asked to run 2 kilometer. Now what is the question? How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometer? He has to complete 2 kilometer every day. Park has only 400 meter. The park is of only 400 meter. So what we will do? Let's do here. Park is of 400 meter only. Now, and he has to do 2 kilometer. He has to run or walk 2 kilometer. Now we'll see here 1000 meter has 1 kilometer. So 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. This you can understand very easily. Now, if 400 मीटर दौड़ता है तो कितना राउंड? 1 राउंड. 400 मीटर का 1 राउंड. ऑलरेडी पार्क 400 मीटर का ही है, बट ही हैज़ टू रन, ही हैज़ टू कंप्लीट 2 किलोमीटर, मीन्स 2000 मीटर. 2000, therefore 2000 मीटर is equal to how many round? 4 मीटर is equal to 1 round. 4 मीटर में 1 राउंड है. सो 2000 मीटर, तो कितने राउंड लगाने पड़ेंगे? सो बिफोर ऑल्सो आई एक्सप्लेन, रेसिप्रोकल करना है. दिस इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. मीटर है तो मीटर के नीचे मीटर ही आएगा. इज इक्वल टू नीचे के नीचे इज इक्वल टू वॉट एवर वी हैव टू सर्च, वी हैव टू फाइंड, दैट वी हैव टू राइट आफ्टर इज इक्वल टू. जो भी सर्च करना है, जो भी ढूंढना है, वो इज इक्वल टू की बाद में लिखेंगे, और जो सर्च करना है वो आफ्टर ही आएगा. और हियर दे आस्क्ड किलोमीटर, बट 400 मीटर का राउंड है, दैट्स व्हाई वी कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर इनटू मीटर. नाउ सी रेसिप्रोकल. रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स ऊपर नीचे. 2000 यहाँ है, वो ऊपर जाएंगे, एंड 4400 नीचे. इज इक्वल टू मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. यहाँ है मल्टी इज इक्वल टू के नीचे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. नाउ सी 2 0 कैंसर, 2 0 कैंसर. व्हाट इज रिमेन? 20 एंड 4. सो 4 के टेबल में 20 कब आता है? 4 5 20. वी कैन कट 4 5 20 एंड 5 1 5. सो देवी प्रसाद हैज टू रन 5 राउंड्स. कितने राउंड्स? उसको 5 राउंड्स कंप्लीट करने पड़ेंगे. So 5 rounds. How many rounds? 5 rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers. Now see, one day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. Weather अच्छा है तो mind fresh हो जाता है. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. 2 kilometers के हमने ही सोचे थे. 2 kilometers के लिए कितने rounds लगाने पड़ते? 5. So usually he runs 5 rounds. He runs 5 rounds. But weather अच्छा है, so he run 8 rounds. That day he ran dash kilometer and dash meters. So let's found 8 round लगाया तो कितने किलोमीटर्स उसने दौड़ा? Let's find. We already know that 1 round कितने किलोमीटर्स, कितने मीटर्स का है? 4 मीटर का है. That park is of 4 meter. He ran 8 rounds. So 8 round is equal to how many meter? पहले भी जो सर्च करना है वो बाद में, कि एक राउंड 400 मीटर में है, सो 8 राउंड कितने मीटर होगा? सो वंस अगेन विल डू द सेम थिंग. रेसिप्रोकल. 8 ऊपर जाएगा, 1 नीचे. सो 8 and 1 is equal to means multiply and we'll write 400. Another way, whenever one thing is given that and we have to find for more, एक की कॉस्ट दी है और ज़्यादा की सर्च करनी है, एक थिंग की कोई भी थिंग वस्तु दी है और वी हैव टू फाइंड फॉर मोर नंबर्स, दैट टाइम वी विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओनली. So 1 round 400, we have to find for more 8. So we will do multiply. Easily we can do the multiplication. 8 fours are 32, and we'll write to 1200 meter. So 3200 meter. Now meter to kilometer, we have to find the kilometer. How many kilometer and how many meter he run. So simple as meter and centimeter, we can do 3 kilometer, 3000 plus 200. Okay, so 3000 means 3 kilometer and 200 meters. Okay, so you can write here, that day he ran 3 kilometer and 200 meter.